So my final celebration is my patient access department team from the dialysis center. Alicia, do you want to introduce folks? First yourself.
Okay. So I'm Alicia Rodriguez, the patient access manager. So I oversee all the front end operations for everything but the rural health clinics. And I've been with Kaweah for almost 20 years. 11 of them in billing, and the last 8 or 9 in patient access. So full circle, lots of fun. I get the pleasure of working with Brittany Coggins, who's the supervisor for one of our 4 areas that we supervise. And then Brenda Lopez is one of our team members who's in our Main Street call center. So there's an office on Main Street that's incognito. It has no signage, nothing. You don't know we're in there. It's a call center. And we were moved out there to make space at the hospital for other operations that need to occur there. So we are scheduling patients there. We are pre-registering them. We are working on authorizations, lots and lots of duties. And one of the service lines we support is the dialysis clinic, all the way from Main Street. And they're on Tulare Avenue or something. So lots of great work and communication that occurs between our team and their team that I think you were going to probably read.
Yeah, that was awesome.
So we're patient access. Thank you for having us. We're excited to be here.
Okay, and we're excited to have you here. A few months ago, I think it was our employee connection team, part of our Kaweah Care initiative or culture, is to recognize teams. So obviously we recognize individual accomplishments and contributions through our Employee of the Month program. But in every aspect of the organization, we work in teams. Some very large teams, some very tiny teams. But we also want to recognize and celebrate when that team comes together and does such incredible work. So congratulations to our Patient Access Department dialysis team, who is our December Team of the Month, and I'll read their nomination. It says, I would like to nominate the Patient Access Department for the Kaweah Care Team of the Month. Alicia and I and her team exemplify the core values of Kaweah Health through their kindness, patience, and professionalism. They consistently go above and beyond to support our department and serve as a tremendous resource across various areas. We have learned a great deal about the complexity of insurances, IPAs, authorizations, and Kaweah Health's processes for compliance in non-clinical areas. Thanks to their guidance, we have gained a deeper understanding of these essential operations, which has greatly contributed to our team's efficiency. The team that is being recognized is the patient access team who works on authorizations for the outpatient dialysis patients, as well as other service lines. With only 2 members on this team, and unfortunately one of them was not able to be here with us tonight, it is a small but mighty one. What is an authorization, you may be asking yourself? It's an agreement from the insurance payer to approve reimbursement for a service that is rendered. As you can imagine, this is not an easy task. Between the 2 team members, they secure payer authorizations for over 150 dialysis patients. While they may not interact with patients face-to-face, they support the Kaweah Health mission statement by checking eligibility every month and making sure each visit for this complex treatment is financially secure. Some patients will receive dialysis treatment 7 days a week for years and years. So having this team in this role allows the patient to focus on their treatment and not on the financial aspects of it all. Our team works closely with Connie Green and her dialysis clinic team members on day-to-day tasks, and there is a solid
Communication process in place.
That's what it says.
I only read it like one time.
Process is in place to make everything as efficient as possible. Together, we make sure all the checks and balances are in place to avoid denials and secure reimbursement for the organization. There are many other examples where this team goes above and beyond their usual work duties. Each of them extends themselves to support in other areas like pre-arrivals or Kaweah's admission testing clinic, or CATS we talked about earlier. Whenever they are short-staffed, they even recently provided support authorizations for Sequoia Regional Cancer Center. Anyone who is fortunate enough to interact with this team will agree that they are some of the hardest working people, and we are grateful to have them on our team. Great job, and a huge thank you to Cynthia, Brito, and Brenda Lopez. Thank you so much. My gosh, incredible work. Obviously, just a testament to your dedication, your commitment, your hard work, but your knowledge and expertise. And I love that that one description is that because of the work you do and how well you do it, our patients don't have to worry about it. Because this is obviously an incredibly anxious period of time for them. Dialysis, you know, terrible having to be on it, but to have such a supportive team to make it so effortless for them and them not have to worry about you getting that authorization for the service or getting paid, to have you taking care of that. I know it means a lot. My mom was on dialysis for probably 10 years, and just watching what she went through and putting the family at ease and lessening their burden and anxiety, just thank you. Thank you for all of your great work.
And thank you to Connie for nominating us. We appreciate it. We really value our partnership with
Yes,
Connie
no,
and Amy.
yes. It's a big team, yes, exactly. All right, that was it. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Great job.